As noted in the previous clips, in supplying Remy with Squeaky plush toys, there is no benefit to society, in this case, the dog owner Mackenzie and her family. The high pitch and obnoxious squeaking noise, along with the mess caused from the plush toy, results in an unexpected and unnecessary disturbance to the Campbell household. This graph shows the negative externality of supplying Remy with a squeaky plush toy. The marginal social benefit line is decreasing because with each additional dog toy, the Campbell family is not receiving any benefit. Instead, they are overwhelmed by stress and a messy house. The marginal private cost line is lower than the marginal social cost line because even though Remy is Mackenzie's dog, this undesirable result negatively affects every individual in their household. In addition, as each toy is destroyed by Remy, the total cost put into purchasing the toys is increasing greatly. The quantity and price in the market is represented at the intersection of the marginal private cost and marginal social benefit line. This creates a deadweight loss resulting in the socially optimal level at the intersection of the marginal social cost and marginal social benefit line. To resolve this market failure, a $5 tax per product will be placed on the Squeaky plush toy producer to compensate for the product that does not meet the indestructible quality they promote their product to withhold.